The Scorpion and the Frog. Some people cannot overcome their nature even when it doesn't help their interests. Once upon a time, in a faraway land lived a scorpion who lived in the sand. He lived by the river and watched the fish swim. He could also see the other side of the river. It was a beautiful place with long grass, nice trees, and many animals. He wished to travel there, but he could not swim. Then, one day, he saw a frog hop into the water and swim across the river to his sandy side of the river. "Excuse me, sir, can you give me a ride to the other side?" the scorpion asked politely, but the frog was worried. "But you are a scorpion. You will sting me," the frog said. "If I sting you, we will both drown in the river. So why would I sting you?" the scorpion said. The frog thought about this and then agreed. "Okay, I will help you cross the river," the frog replied, and the scorpion climbed onto the frog's back, and they began the travel. The frog swam across the river with the scorpion on his back. There were no problems until suddenly the frog felt a pain in his back so strong he stopped swimming. "What have you done?" the scared frog asked. "I'm sorry," the scorpion said, "but now we will both drown," the frog said, confused by the scorpion's actions. "I'm sorry, but it is in my nature to sting," the scorpion said, and the frog and the scorpion both sunk to the bottom of the river.